Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own talking AI avatar using HeyGen on Canva. So here, as you can see, I'm on my Canva homepage, and what you want to do is from the project types here, scroll till you see video, click on it. And of course here you have a blank video. You can add here you have many templates to add from. You can choose backgrounds, templates, and so on. And you can add elements as well as text, and you can upload your own images and videos to add here. Now, what you want to do is to click on apps and then search for HeyGen. Okay, HeyGen AI avatars, click on it. And then here's the app, the HeyGen AI avatars, click on it. And then click on open. And here you have many options. You can choose an AI avatar from the available avatars right here. Or if you want to add your own image and use it as an avatar, you can upload your image right here. And here you have many options to choose from as well. Now, you can add your script here if you want, or you can just add an audio file and choose the voice. So I'll just choose one from the available templates. So I'll just choose this one, for example. Okay, use. And then here I can have a video mode here or in a circle and add the background color. Let's leave it as white. Now, the text here, you can use ChatGPT to generate a script for you. However, I'll just use one of the pre-made text right here. Okay, just to show you the way. And here you can view some voices. You can listen to them if you click on the play icon.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hello, this is how I... Hello, this...
Okay, I'll just choose Sarah. And then here I can listen to my script before generating the AI video. Okay, and now once everything is good enough, click on generate AI video. Of course, you need to connect your account, HeyGen account. So click on connect. And here you can sign in with your email password, or you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or SSO. So I'm going to sign up pretty quickly. Okay, and now I've successfully signed in with my account. And now, unfortunately, I need to reselect. So you need to make sure you are signed in before making all your selections. So here, let's go back and let's see, I chose this one. And I chose the voice as Sarah and this sentence. Okay, generate the AI video. And unfortunately, I've used up all my credits here, so I have 0 credits. Of course, if you create a new account, you'll have enough credits to at least create this AI avatar. So the AI avatar will appear here. It'll say your sentence and in a pretty professional way. And of course, you can edit it. You can add other elements. You can remove the background, or choose any text to add to your video.